Hi guys, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Halima. If you're new to my YouTube channel, it's been that long since I did a video for YouTube. Oh my god, such a long time. Honestly, I've been uploading like shots and things like that, but not like a proper video. But anyway, today I thought I'm just gonna be like, I want to get back into recording again. I really want to get back. I really miss having like a proper chit chat with you guys, like doing like a makeup tutorial or a vlog and things like that. I really miss that. I've been so busy on other platforms such as TikTok. So if you haven't followed my TikTok, please go to my TikTok, the same name as my YouTube, Beauty by Lima. I'm on YouTube, really like consistent on TikTok, but not on YouTube. That is really bad. Anyhow, today I really want to come on here today just to say hi, and also I really want to come on here to talk about a product that I have been using. I've actually uploaded the product as a short, and a lot of people have commented on the product. Some of you guys have asked the question how to use the product, where to get a product from, etc. So today this video is going to be a short one. It won't be long, just like a little, maybe 3 minutes video. I just wanted to basically show you guys tell you guys about this product, where you can get it from, how to use it, etc. When I say this product is really good, it's good for winter, it's good for summer, when you have a dry skin, sensitive skin. It's such a beautiful product. I mean, sure, if I showed you guys this product, you guys would probably know what product I'm talking about. But anyway, it's the one and only Vaseline intensive oil. This oil is a game changer, guys. If you haven't used this oil, then honestly you're missing out. This oil, oh my god, I don't know how to express how amazing this oil is. This oil is so good, honestly. If you put, whether you have a dry skin, oily skin, whatever skin type you have, this oil will transform your skin. It will make your skin beautiful. And a good thing about this oil is, right, when you put it on, it doesn't actually leave you feeling greasy. Not at all. It penetrates deep into your epidermis. Honestly, you will not even feel greasy at all. It's such an effective oil that I'm definitely going to recommend. I did a shot on it, and you guys loved that shot so much that I thought I'm gonna have to do an extensive video to, you know, explain more details about this oil. So this oil, the best way to use this oil is, on my perspective, is like when I come out of the shower, right, I put this oil on straight away when I come out of the shower, because when you come out of the shower, your pores is open, your skin is well moist, and so on and so forth. That's when I use this oil. As soon as I come out of the shower or bath, I put this oil on, and I used it to grease all over my body. I really take time to massage it into my skin, etc. Okay, it's very good, guys, honestly. And also, if you want to layer this oil, the best way to use it, you can use this oil with other creams. So if you have any body moisturizing cream that you use, you can put the moisturizing cream first and then put this oil on top, so that your skin will be well moist, it will be so well hydrated, beautiful, glowy, and so on and so forth. That's how I use mine. So when I use this, like I said, I'll use it when, like, I have, let's say I have a moisturizer on. So this is the consistency of the oil. As you guys can see, this is the consistency. It's like a jelly kind of format. You know, it's very good, honestly. Like I said, it penetrates so deeply. So when you come out of the shower and you use this, it's gonna really keep your skin moist. It's gonna penetrate deeply and keep your skin supple, glowy, beautiful. So perhaps you have, like I said, you have maybe some specific moisturizer that you're using. When you put that cream on your skin first, then you top it up with this one to close it off, you know, to keep the moisture in your skin, guys. Honestly, this oil is everything. It's life, honestly, guys. I have this oil, like, as soon as I realize I'm running out, I quickly run to the shop to buy another one, because I really don't want to miss out on this oil. Can you guys see the glow? Can you see the glow? Can you see how it makes my hands so glowy and so beautiful? I love it. Some people say they use it for their face. I personally haven't used it for my face. It's an oil, so you can use it all over your body, your face, your, you know, anywhere that you find it. And I realized that it's really helping me. I used to have a really bad knuckles, but I realized that since I've been using those oil, my knuckles is fading slowly. Because one thing that makes you have knuckles when your hands is dry. I realized that when your hands is dry, it makes your skin start, you know, darken. These areas start darkening. So I make sure I always have one available in my car or in my bag or somewhere, you know. I make sure I have it available so that if I need it, it's accessible. So guys, this is definitely a must-have. So if anybody wants to buy it, okay, within this video, right, within the description box, I'm going to actually leave the link for you guys where you can buy this oil. Okay, I'm going to link the link for you, the original one, because bear in mind there are a lot of fake ones out there, okay, but I'm using the original. I only use the original. Okay, so if you guys want to purchase one, I'm going to leave the link attached to within the description box where you can actually buy it originally from. Okay, and also some people are saying that there's a barcode at the front of this oil. I've never seen one that the barcode is at the front. The barcode is always at the back of this oil. So I don't know where people have been getting theirs that the barcode is at the front. So guys, bear in mind, like I said, there are a lot of fake ones out there. The one that I've been using for such a long time, the barcode is always at the back, never at the front. So I don't know those people who have been commenting on my video, the short I did, saying that I have the fake one that the barcode is not supposed to be at the back, it's supposed to be at the front, or they have one that there's no barcode. Everything that you buy, there's supposed to be a barcode. Even if you're buying food from the supermarket, there's a barcode on it. So I don't know why a whole cream Vaseline intensive oil, there won't be a barcode on it. Anyhow, mine have a barcode at the front, sorry, at the back. It's not at the front. Anyway, so guys, this is it. If anybody is interested in getting this oil, like I said, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. Make sure you check it out. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think of this oil. Let me know, have you ever used it before? What do you think of it? Does it help your skin? Does it help to keep your skin moisturized? Does it help you with your dry skin? What do you think of it? Do you like it? Do you dislike it? Blah blah blah. Let me know what your thoughts are, because I really want to know what your thoughts are, because honestly I absolutely love this oil, and then this is a game changer. I don't use any other oil apart from this, and I absolutely love it. And honestly, the amount of people that I've recommended this oil to, honestly, if I'm actually doing this business selling this oil, I think I would have made $1 million by now, because I've recommended it to so many people. Even the shots I did, the shot has almost got like almost 120, you know, 1,000 of you have watched that shorts and liked it and stuff like that. So it's such a very amazing oil that everybody that are into skincare or want their skin to look beautiful, radiant and supple and healthy as well should definitely get this oil. Honestly, this oil will not making you, it will not darken you. Some people have said when they use it, make their skin dark. It doesn't darken you. As you can see my complexion, it will not darken you. If you get one that is as darken you, maybe you got the fake one. Do you know what I mean? But since I've been using this oil for a very long time, this oil has not darkened me at all. It's rather make my skin so beautiful, and it has kind of like help with my knuckles and stuff like that. So yeah guys, anyway, I'm gonna tag it. I'm gonna tag where you can get the original one from and stuff like that. So guys, let me know what you think of this oil. But I love this oil so much that I'm definitely gonna swear by it. So if you want to get one, make sure you click on the link that I'm gonna attach to this video and get it for yourself, because this oil is gonna transform your skin. It's gonna make your skin so beautiful. Look how beautiful, radiant, soft my hands is looking. Honestly, it's not greasy. Like I said, you guys gonna love it. So make sure you check it out. Such a beautiful, useful oil, and it's a must-have for every lady, whether you're a man or a woman, whatever. Even babies can use it. You can use it on your children. Their skin is going to be so smooth, like a chocolate, like beautiful caramel, you know. Or if you're a white person, you can use it, black, brown, whatever, Asian, anyone. Like I said, it's for all skin types. So get yours guys and use it. Let your skin beautiful. You know, summer is coming. You want that glow, you want that hydrated, glowy skin. You know, you don't want your skin to be dry in this summer. So make sure you get this oil and moisture yourself really well. So anyway guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. I'm gonna be consistent. Honestly, I'm coming back slowly. So I'll see you guys. Bye.